See, the 4, 3, 2, 1 countdown is serious. We count down to the year, and we count down to a time where it's got to be about you. Raise your hand if it's been about somebody else. The 4, 2, 1. It is, man. It's okay to be about you for a minute. Let me say something. People hate this, but when you're born a little selfish. I ain't never seen a baby give away their bottle. Let's be like, me, my. So you're born a little bit selfish. All I'm saying is be selfish, get yourself right for a minute. Get your finances in order. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
4 challenges. What are they? 1.
Inflation.
2.
Taxes.
3.
Debt.
4.
Big business.
So now you know. Now when you see them coming, you're like, okay, I see how this works. Now I see why I ain't got no money. My debt's sky high. My taxes sky high. Business owners always putting me out of putting the sales and stuff out there. I think I got to take advantage of. And inflation, business owners go up every day on how much things cost. And through all of these, I ain't got a pay raise in 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
You see the difference? See, when you get that, you're going to change your life. When you get that, you're going to change your life. Now the playing field even. Now we're not shooting 3-pointers and kicking field goals on the wrong sport no more. Because now we got a new perspective.